Well, Janna, thank you so much for tolerating all of my probing about string theory. Now maybe would be a good time to get to the survival part of the black hole survival guide. How close could somebody get to a black hole while surviving? Could they pass through the event horizon? How do you think about it?
So this is I think black holes get a bad rap. You can actually get extremely close to a black hole and be very safe, much closer than you can get to the sun.
Really?
Right? Yeah. If you get close to the sun, you're going to incinerate. It's really quite a threatening, hostile environment. You can get very close to a black hole. Let's say it's a bare black hole. There's no accretion disk, no jets. And just to clarify for the jets, because I get this question a lot, the material being shot out of these jets, these X-ray guns, basically, is not coming from interior to the black hole. It's always coming from outside.
Right. Nothing escapes.
It never went inside the black hole and then is being shot out. It's drawing from the ambient material that's already very hot and energetic, and it's shooting it out along these magnetic beams. But so let's say there's none of that. So it's really quite safe. There's just this empty region of space-time, and there's this shadow I can't even see. Maybe I shine a flashlight on it to help me see the black hole or something. You can get incredibly close to a black hole, and it's really fine. I mean, like I said, if the black hole is 6 kilometers across, and it were the mass of the sun, even though we don't know how to make one of those, they're heavier than that, but you could be 30 kilometers out. That's really close, 30 kilometers outside the black hole and be in a very safe orbit, minding your own business. You won't get torn apart. You won't be vacuumed in. You could be like the International Space Station, make your
Exactly.
observations and chill.